Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is packed with information and I'm excited to share it with you. We'll be discussing how to install Fortnite on your iOS device running iOS 17.4. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on future uploads. Let's dive right in. Firstly, with the latest iOS 17.4 update, you now have the ability to install third-party apps on your iPhone, and yes, Fortnite falls under this category. However, there have been some changes in the European Union regarding app distributions due to the Digital Market Act (DMA). It's crucial to note that these changes only impact the Epic Games Store on iPhones, not iPads or other regions. As of now, the Epic Games Store for iOS is still in development and has not been officially launched. Epic Games is actively working on ensuring compliance with the legal and technical aspects of the DMA to bring Fortnite back to iOS devices through their store. Therefore, the safest and most recommended approach for now is to await an official announcement from Epic Games regarding the availability of Fortnite through legitimate channels like the Epic Games Store on iOS. This will ensure the security of your device and personal information. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon for updates on future content. Thank you for your time today, and I'll catch you in the next one.